You guys come in and come as close as possible. Come as close as possible.
This is the room I've been waiting for. Yes. Come in, come in. I have an opportunity for you all that is bad, dangerous. I was going to say profitable. You think I'm so harmless? Send my friends to danger? With some fire. Believe me, I'm very little to follow.
Please, if you come in on this side, come over to this white line for me.
Please don't release that.
They got much space. Not really. See, you got me change my words. They got much space for me as possible right here. All right, move close, move close. Take as much space as possible for me, please. All right, if you're just coming in on this side, move as close as possible for me, please.
This is hello, my friends. I am Hondo Onaka, and this is Onaka Transport Solutions. Today, I am offering the opportunity of a lifetime. I need flight crews to transport this valuable merchandise across the galaxy. Pilots to navigate, engineers to operate the ship, and gunners to defend the shipments. And that is where you come in. Oh, the Millennium Falcon. Oh no, for some very fast and very profitable expeditions. Chewbacca, my fine furry friend. Yes, as we agreed, you let us use the ship. We'll get you the supplies you need. It's a win-win. You help the resistance, and I get all profits. What? The first order will never know we are there. Okay, time to go, so, bye-bye. We better go before he changes his mind. Go along, my friends. Listen carefully and remember, the better you work together, the more you earn. Your lives and my...
All right, people on my side. You good. Go this way for me.
Too much outside. I will never set any place damage the ship. Yes, well, this is why I start now coming.
Three from my going to be in front, side by side right here. My two pilots right here.
Basically all that is just someone like your mom. That's out.
Insulation and asbestos.
Looking beauty.
Or I guess.
We're in the ship.
I don't see. Maybe we have to check.
We're in the window. Well, I hope we get to watch some TV. We're also we get to serve some lunch. We flashing lights. This one, I'm scared of her. This is what's it called?
Good luck to you all. You might need it. Today's flight takes you to the planet Corellia. You will be intercepting a first-order trading shipment of coaxium. Gunners, you clear the path. Pilots, line up behind the train. And engineers, you harpoon that precious cargo. Over on, my friends. See you in the cockpit. I won't be in the cockpit, of course. I'm thinking of... You're still here. Go, go.
Got you, buddy. Oh, that's start. Ready.
Remain seated and supervise younglings. Por favor, permanezcan sentados y cuide a los niños.
You guys got this.
engineers. Repair test. Hit your flashing buttons. Only one engineer. I'll do the ship to help out. Right, pilot? Push the flashing button to take off. Pilot on the left. Move your stick to fly right and left. I was just about to say that. Pilot on the right. Pull back on the stick to fly up. And push forward to fly down. Weapons are online. Left pilot. Take the booster.
They're right, get it!
Let's go get that coaxial. Right pilot. Make the jump to light speed. Yes, yes, keep shooting. They don't talk to us. Take evasive action. There it is, after that train. Flight engineer, fire the harpoon. Now, get it, shoot the car. Yes, pilot, brakes. Well, my friends, that could have been much worse. Okay, it's much worse. Yes, you got one. Excellent, my friend. The power of the ship. Well, I grab the gold axiom. You see, just as I promised, my friend. Come on, let's get another container of coaxium. Pilot, line up behind the train so we can harpoon that last car. Flight engineers, fire the harpoons and reel us in. Gunners, shoot the train. Keep shooting. Good job, my friends. Yes, yes, yes. We got the coaxium. I will grab it. You keep up to the train. Fire the missiles at the train! Hurry!
Yes.
It's coming down! Left pilot, hit the boosters! Boost! 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 We made it! I don't believe it, but we made it! Now, let's get up! Your hyperdrive has failed. Pilots, evasive maneuvers. We've got company. Drew is right. If we lead them back, they may find the resistance. You did it. Watch out!
That was you.
Yes, Chewie will pilot us in remotely. You retrieve 2 containers of coaxium. This will greatly help the resistance. You have heard the first order and made Chewie proud. Now after my modest profit, your cut minus what you owe me for damaging the Falcon is, hey, not bad. R5, damage report. Engine failure. All right.
Terrible.
Hyperdrive leak. That is not too good.
We had to do what we had to do.
Well, it could be worse. Life support failure. Okay, that's something.
Can I just say?
Whoa, looks like we are ready to unload.
All right, crew, let's make sure we unbuckle, grab all your cargo, and please follow me out this way. Make sure you've gathered all your belongings as your Falcon friends. Right to the end.
Good job.
We have a brilliant freighter that needs immediate transport back to the maintenance bay.
Love it.
This thing's seen better days. Better fix all that before the Wookiee sees it.
You guys did so much better than almost anyone that I've ever done that with.
You said what?
I said you guys did so much better than anyone I've ever done that with. That little asteroid field, I've never even done that.
I don't even know how I got there. I'm just going.